Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083769, or this update on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update and then go to here. You can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once it is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. If that does not work, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on restart. Once this is done, go back to Windows Update, and over here if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can update. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, then use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write on the name of the update, this one or this one, whichever is giving you the error message. And once you type in the name of the update, click on search. Now type in WinVer, WINVER in WinVer in Windows search box, and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version, that is version 25H2 in my case, and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and for me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083769. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, close all kinds of third-party applications. Make sure only the Windows update is running, rest close everything. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit, anti-cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall these applications, restart your PC and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option. Here you can see a recovery option, click on it. Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file over here, and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next over here. Click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.